Good morning, everyone. So, Panchal Academy present online lecture for class 6 social science. It's presented by me, Lokesh Mana. Okay, we are going to start with our new chapter, the Neolithic Revolution. Before studying this chapter, we cover one more topic, that is time period. On page number 9, this topic is given down of ages. Down of ages, in this we will study the different time periods. The time periods mainly classified in three types. First, Paleolithic age. You can see on the third line, Paleolithic age. It is the time period we study about early humans made tools mainly of stones. In this age, in this Paleolithic age time period, we study about the humans which mainly made tools of stones. See on the fourth line, Paleos means old and lithos means stone. That period means old stone. It's also mainly divided into two groups, Middle Paleolithic, Lower Paleolithic, and one more is there, Upper Paleolithic. Various sites discovered during this period: Chota Nagpur plateaus in Jharkhand, Thar region, Vindh Rajmahal hills, and Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh. Now, Mesolithic period. One more period is there, Mesolithic period. This period extends from 12,000 BCE to 10,000 BC. Very small tools called microlith were made during this period. This is the second period which we are talking about, that is Mesolithic period. Narmada, and this microlith is found near Narmada and Tapi rivers. Humans also learned to make hooks and traps to catch fish during this period. And now in this chapter we will learn about the time period, that is Neolithic age, that begin from 10,000 BCE. In this stage, human beings started farming. So this age can also be said the stage of human beings when they began farming. And before it we have studied about the Paleolithic period. So that was started from 2000 to 12,000 BCE. Okay. So one more thing so see here. This is the Paleolithic period which is extending from 12,000 BCE to here leftward side. Okay, in middle, this period from 10,000 BCE to 12,000, this is Mesolithic period, and from 10,000 to 12,000 BCE, this period is known as Neolithic. Neolithic. Okay, so from 10,000 BCE, the period which started was Neolithic period. Okay, so in this new chapter, we will study about this Neolithic period. So what happened? This third chapter is totally relevant with this Neolithic period, because in this period Neolithic revolution started. What happened during this Neolithic period? See on your book. Climate became warmer, invention of wheels. So now we will study this chapter in detail. At the starting of this chapter, first of all, what is given here? It is given some story. Let's read it. In September 1991, what happens? Two German tourists, Helmut and Erika Seemann, they found well-preserved dead body of a man who lived about 5,300 years ago. He was discovered in a glacier of Ostal Alp near the border between Austria and Italy. He have given his nickname Oggi, the Iceman. When his body was extremely examined, x-rayed, measured and dated, analysis of Oggi tooth enamel show he spent his childhood in present village of Fatthorn, Italy. He had 57 tattoos on his body, some of which were located on or near his acupuncture point. Scientists believe that tattoo indicate early type of acupuncture, and this Oggi is a natural mummy belonging to Catholic age. Okay. Now, as we already know, about 10,000 years ago, the climate became warmer. Warmer climate made life easier and population began to grow. But people could not find food enough for hunting, enough by hunting. So they started farming. And animal domestication. You can see this term here, animal domestication. I'm underlining this term. Okay, the period during which men turned from hunting and food gathering to agriculture is so important that it is known as Neolithic Revolution. Understand this term very carefully. What the period? It is talking about the period during which men turned from hunting and food gathering to agriculture. Men turned from hunting and food gathering to agriculture. The period is known as Neolithic Revolution. Okay, underline this term. Now, the first farmer and the herders. We all think about the food we eat. It all comes from the plants that are grown or animals that are reared. At first, the early men used to collect seeds of wild plants and ate them during the winter or spring season. But what happened? Afterward, later men realized that seed can be picked, could be sown in the ground. So they planted seeds and watched them grow. And then they harvested the plant and removed the grains, fruits or vegetable. And slowly they began with farming. So it's not happened on a single time. They have taken the time period. They have realized, first of all, so in summary, I could tell that first what they did, they started collecting the seeds. Then after what they did, they are collecting the seed from the wild plant. Then they realized that it can be sown. Then after some time, they started watching this, and they planted the seeds, washed it to grow, and then after they harvested it and removed the grain, fruits or vegetables. So slowly they began farming. It doesn't happen within one day. It taken a lot of time. Okay. At this time, men also learned how to keep animals. They first began to tame dogs. Means they are carrying the dogs. Why they are carrying the dogs? Because it helps to find and kill wild animals. And dogs also guarded their shelters and protect them from the wild animals. है ना? Humans also give food to gentle animals and that come near their shelters. They also carry sheep, goats and cattle. For riding and carrying heavy things, they use camel and donkeys. Okay. So this is totally about the Neolithic revolution that we have read it now. That was the starting period of time. We have read about the first farmer in herders, how they started the farming, how they gone to that period, what this period is known, how they started farming, and which are the animals they carry for which animals which they carry for their riding, carrying. So that we have read in this topic. So now the later topics we will read in our second part, है ना? So what you have to do is you just have to read it once, your first topic, that is the starting page, the first farmer and herders. Okay. The next topic we will cover in next part with our presentations. So read from your book and try to understand this chapter again. Thank you.